Many times in my mind, a question came up: how do other people consider us nice person? Everyone has different criteria for judging others. After research, these are 10 qualities any nice person must have. We cannot produce these qualities in a single day. We must practice them day by day until they become part of our nature. Resilience. Ability to stand against failure and how quickly you recover from disaster. It is the art of keeping going even when the results are not coming or things are not going our way. In simple terms, resilience means falling 7 and standing 8. Regardless of the situation, just focus on your goals and keep going. Empathy. Ability to understand that others are also facing challenges and problems in life. It helps us to understand others' person's shoes and see things from their point of view. How others are thinking about the situation. Understand that others are different from us and can behave differently. Patience. When things go wrong or are not according to our expectations, it will provide us with the ability to deal with things that are going wrong. We should be calmer and more forgiving. We have to make things more realistic in our approach. Sacrifice. By nature, we all seek our advantage. We work and act on all those activities where we have a benefit. However, there are times when we must provide an advantage to others at our own expense. A good, happy family life is only possible when we sacrifice our needs and wants for the future of our family. We sacrifice for the community or our country for greater good. Politeness. We must know the manners of our community. Speak clearly and softly. Even if we have power and position, we deal with others with respect and honor, even if they are less powerful than us. When we are polite, we are able to work with people who do not agree with us and are different. It makes us humble and able to tolerate more. Humor. This quality helps us to understand the funny side of situations and tells others that we do not take everything as seriously, which creates physical problems. It helps us to enjoy the gap between what we expect and what actually happens. Like anger, humor is also the offspring of disappointment. It tells us about how we deal with sadness. It tells us a lot about ourselves. How do we deal with failure? Accept life as it is, or stop trying. It tells us a lot of things about ourselves. It reveals the types of jokes we laugh at and how we move forward. Self-awareness. Self-awareness means that we take responsibility for accepting our failures and never giving blame to others. Do we know what our strengths are and what our weaknesses are? Can we defer what our needs are to our wants? What we can bear, what we cannot tolerate, and how to avoid such a situation. Forgiveness. How much do we have memories of bad events that happen in our lives? When others treat us badly, when our partner brings bad results into our lives, and when our children or family members do not meet our expectations. And how quickly we forgive them. This quality helps us make our relationships strong with our family, friends, and colleagues. It helps us gain trust and work with others. Hope. Hope means that, regardless of failures and adversity in life, we still think positively about the future. We believe good things happen in life. If not, then nothing bad will happen. We believe that in the end, everything will be good. We should be hopeful that the result will come. It shows our ability to still have the courage to continue regardless of a bad situation. Confidence. Confidence means believing in our ability to achieve. It indicates that we have achieved significant success in the past or had positive experiences. It shows that in the past, we already faced a lot of challenges in life, and we overcame all those challenges and reached here. How do you like this video? Let's try to keep these in mind and practice them a little every day. Resilience, empathy, patience, and sacrifice, politeness, humor, self-awareness, forgiveness, hope. Confidence is one of the 10 qualities of being a nice person. See you in the next video.